Hello, I'm Daneel Ballaram, Head of Manufacturing and Process Plant Industry at Baker Paints. Over the past decade, I've immersed myself in the world of Autodesk, becoming a distinguished speaker, renowned professional trainer, and a certified Autodesk professional. I've had the privilege of engaging in comprehensive Autodesk consulting and account management, guiding clients through every stage from initial procurement to seamless product integration and adoption. With this expertise, I'm committed to delving and driving innovation and excellence in the industry. While we're talking about excellence, we have some exciting upcoming events that you won't want to miss. First up, we have Evolving Blueprints. It's a live event in person happening on the 11th of April. During the session, we'll dive into real world transformation from static to dynamic design and manufacturing. We'll explore topics like business resilience as well as digital transformation. Join us as we uncover how business can leverage digital tools to adapt, innovate, and thrive amongst the challenges and opportunities that we face. So, following on from our in person event, we have a really exciting webinar coming your way. So, mark your calendars for the 17th of April. In this webinar, we tackle the top 6 challenges that modern manufacturing face. Joining me for this insightful discussion is my colleague Peter Watson, as well as the Autodesk team. Together, we delve into how Autodesk Fusion operations can revolutionize your manufacturing operations, from optimizing product schedules to elevating quality control. We'll unveil some strategies on how to overcome obstacles and boost efficiency in today's dynamic manufacturing environment. This webinar is packed with valuable insights, so you really don't want to miss it. As you may be aware, we're constantly updating our transformation tools platform with fresh and engaging content. One of our latest additions is an ebook titled From 2D to 3D, Unveiling the Power of Autodesk Fusion for Design and Manufacturing. I highly encourage you to click the link below to learn more about the upcoming events and the wealth of resources available to you on our Transformation Tools platform. You don't want to miss out on the valuable insights waiting for you there. Once again, thank you for joining us on this journey towards excellence. Don't forget to check out the links for more information on our upcoming events and resources. Until next time, stay inspired and keep innovating.